Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing ZTE Nubia AI and Redmi Note 14 5G. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Redmi Note 14 comes with an IP68 rating and the Nubia AI comes with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both two phones come with AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Camera features. The ZTE Nubia AI comes with 2 rear cameras and the Redmi Note 14 comes with 3 rear cameras. Now let's compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, city speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.